Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for ScopeLeads. This is a demo for ScopeLeads. Down below there's more information and all of the bonuses as well. Now here's why I'm really excited about this software. And I don't understate this at all or overstate it. This is probably the best searching software that I've found to date when it comes to finding leads. I haven't seen a software to date that has gathered as much information about locally about different businesses in such a good and well-constructed way. I'm very familiar with the health scene in New Zealand. My first client that I brought on as an offline client was in the health industry. And you can see here, I did a quick search for Auckland, New Zealand, which is where I was in or positioned. And this is the data it grabbed. These are businesses that need help with their SEO. It grabbed all of this data, it put them together, and it also, this software, one of the key parts of this is it actually allows you to run an audit of the website, which tells you exactly what they need to improve. Now, you've been learning about marketing. You've been learning about how to do different things for your own business online or for other people's. This is a great opportunity now to put that in practice by signing up a client and actually helping you. So ScopeLeads, it allows you to find all this data on different businesses. And with this data, what you can do is you can use the ScopeLeads software to instantly send an email. As I click email, send an email, a pre-created email, inviting this business, and you can edit parts of it if you want, to get your help. And what you can do, which is really cool, is through this process, if I was to go to Health Post, for example, I was to go view audit, I'm going to go back and I'm going to load up the view audit. This is really cool. This link here, this is the public link. I've copied that link. I go over to my email in Health Post, and I can actually go ahead, I can enter in SEO services, I can add my link in here, and I can actually go ahead and send out this email. Now, one of the key things about this software is that it also has this check spam score as well. So you can make sure that your emails, when they go out, are going to go to the right place. They're not going to be put through the spam filter as well. And you can update your own information, you can add a signature, make it look really nice as well. So that's what this software will do. Not only that, if you want to, you can actually engage people with email sequences. You can use these sequences, so after the first email you've sent out, it actually follows up with the business as to whether they've opened it. Here's something you can do though that not many people know about that I've used successfully, my wife has used successfully. A little bit about us, we used to do a lot of offline marketing. My wife used to run a social media company. I used to run a company that helped with websites, SEO, marketing, and eventually social media. And we actually contacted many of our clients who signed up through email. My clients came on as a result of calling or emails. So let me show you the big part about the software. So if we go to a website, it's called Streak, and you may have already heard about this. This is Streak right here. Now this is a CRM for your email marketing that you do for clients. Now the great thing about this is that you can see whenever anyone has opened any of your emails. So if you install this on Gmail, and I've already got it installed on my own Gmail, it'll actually notify you when someone has gone ahead and opened your email. The big key here, and the biggest key about this, is that when someone opens your email, because you get a notification, you can then get on the phone, you can call them and see what they thought if they haven't got back to you. Or you can follow up with them at that particular time. Streak is free to install, it's very low cost to run, and it'll track all your emails, what links were clicked, and a lot of details that will help you with your marketing as well. So let's go ahead and start using the software. Now, we've already done a lot of searches. You can already see a number of different searches that have been done here. Let's just pick a random place. I've already shown you New Zealand. It grabbed a bunch of stuff in New Zealand. And New Zealand is such a small place that if it grabs data in New Zealand, it means it'll probably grab data everywhere. However, let's do a traditional search that we would usually do. Now, one of the traditional searches that I'd probably look for when I was going after clients, I would usually search health supplements, businesses around that, because I'm familiar with health supplements and all of that. Dentists is a big one. Lawyers are a big one. Plumber, as you can see here, chiropractors. These are local businesses, local businesses. Also supplement stores, muscle building stores, and there's a number of different businesses that can benefit. Cafes, we've had cafes come through as clients, accountants. Let's do that. Let's try accounting. So accounting, and we're going to search in New York. Now the reason I'm searching in New York is that you can see you've seen a small search. Now let's have a look at a big one, all right, in a big market. We're going to go here, we'll click on the plus. We've got accounting New York. We then go ahead and we click on new search. Now we can choose whether we want to search for people based on their social lacking, all right, whether they lack socially, they don't have Facebook profiles and all of that. The SEO lacking, which is a really popular one. Schema, which is more information in here. Schema is basically, I believe it's a structure type thing. I'm not too familiar with what schema is. AdWords, we've got AdWords here, which is whether they're actually advertising. Their website is lacking, popular one, and mobile is lacking as well. Now, we all know mobile marketing's big. Everyone needs a mobile responsive website. This is probably one of the easiest ones to actually go with. So let's go with that. We'll go accounting. We'll type in New York and we'll have a look. I haven't searched for this yet, so this is completely random. And we'll just go New York accountant. We could either email the results or we could say no. And we're going to go ahead and see what comes up. So now it's going to do a quick search. It'll do a percentage thing now. And you'll see that it won't take too long to do this, but I don't know how many different businesses, accounting businesses, are lacking in terms of mobile. Now it's going to find the ones that are only lacking in mobile responsive websites. You don't have to worry about searching through the ones that have a really good mobile website. You don't need to worry about that. Same with social media. You're not going to find businesses that have good social media when you're trying to find social media lacking businesses. So it means that it's going to save a lot of time. You could do this through Google, but this will save a lot of time. So I found 17 businesses already in the New York place. And look at this. So we've got a mobile responsive website. It's showing us a preview of what this business is. And we can either say, yes, this is lacking, or no. This is not lacking. This is yes, this is lacking. Yes, this needs improvement. It's not the nicest of websites, but I think it's okay. That needs improvement. That's not mobile responsive. That's not mobile responsive. That's not mobile responsive. That's not mobile responsive. I believe this is the way to tick them off. No. And no. And no. So we're just going to click all these. We'll go back. We'll click all these. I'm just going to go around them through them now. And I haven't actually searched for mobile businesses, so I was a bit concerned that I was actually, crossing the ones that I was meant to be ticking. But it's come up with the leads. It's come up with the right places. So what it's done is it's grabbed the ones where I had said, hey, these businesses don't have a mobile responsive website. Unfortunately, Jeff's website here, this is a very badly done mobile website. So what we could do is we could then go ahead and we can run an audit. All right, that's the next step. So we're running an audit right now, and it'll take about it's gone quite quickly. You've got your image here, your on-page optimization, mobile landing page speed. You've got mobile page load usability, suggestions. He doesn't have social media either. No robots text, no sitemap. It's safe to say this person has probably never had anyone experienced or with any knowledge work on his website in terms of from a marketing perspective. And if he's wanting to get found, he will want to get in touch with you or want to talk to you, no doubt, if he sees that as something that he needs improving. We can visit his website as well and have a look at it. Okay, so we've discovered that this website needs improving. We could also when we send this out, by the way, it includes your number at the bottom so someone can call you. So let's go back here. Let's go ahead and click email now. We could go across to here. We could then have our email template and we can send this email template out. If we didn't yet have an email template, which we don't, the search is automatically saved, and then we can create a new template going through here, adding a subject, adding a main panel here, and then you're good. So this is how the software works. It's very cool local marketing software, very professionally done. And I've used softwares like this in the past. I've got clients using softwares like this in the past. The difficulty now is it's hard to get this kind of data. And I'm not 100% sure how they've got so much data through their software, but it is very impressive. So if you are looking at doing this, if you want to do local marketing, it's a great place to start. It's a great way to learn while you earn money. And that's what it allowed me to do when I got into local marketing. I was able to put my skills to the test in a business that was already running online. And I was also able to learn while I was getting paid for doing that. And it's a great way to get started and a good springboard into online marketing if that's what you eventually want to do. And you can put all your skills that you're learning now to the test. And there are a lot of businesses that need this. And they're actually quite good to work with. Most businesses, most business owners are actually really good to work with. So if this is something you want to do, if you're interested in local marketing, or maybe you run a successful local marketing business already, go down below, check out more about this software. I really like it. It serves a purpose and it does that really well. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Backer. I'll talk to you again soon.